So that was an interesting occurrence. I didn't open this valve. It got so hot it melted this, and then flames were coming out of it. Wish I would have had that on camera, but we got it shut down in time before anything bad can happen. See if I can still pour this. Looks like it's still good to pour. Heat up the mold. Nope, can't do that either. Let's heat it up this way. Here we go. Well, still a lot of copper in there, but I'm gonna have to do the next melt in the other forge until I can get that repair done. Now I know you have to have both valves open. You can't just use the lower burner. Alright, well that explains a lot. And next time I will be using the upper and lower burner. Those molds don't look bad though. Look pretty good. There we go. Oh no, rubber ducky. Taking a bath. Wonder if we can get another melt out of it. Mold. Nope. It's all hard now. sucker's already hard. Alright, well, now I know. Learning curves. Now the rubber ducky's got a bath. Just gotta pull these bars out. Look, actually good. Really good. All right, very good. I like the way those look. Those turned out really good. All right, well, that's gonna be the end of it. So it looks like for now, I will be using the smaller forge because that occurred, and that will be next time I melt until I can get that one repaired. I don't think it would be too much to get another hose and valve assembly. All right, you all have a great night, great weekend, and like, subscribe, share with your friends, families, neighbors, cousins, uncles, sisters, brothers, uncles, everyone. All right, bye.